Are you thinking about buying or selling here in Massachusetts? Well, one of the most important things is to do a home inspection with a licensed home inspector. We're going to be chatting with my good friend Mike Milham here today. He's going to be walking us through his business as well as give us his top 3 home maintenance tips. So stick around until the end. Let's go find him. Mike, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Tell us about HouseMaster. What is it all about?
So our focus as an inspection company is making sure that our clients are fully educated on the homes that they're working with, whether it's a buyer, seller, or homeowner. We just want to make sure they have the utmost confidence in their knowledge of their home and how to handle it going forward.
And obviously you do home inspections for buyers and sellers, like you said. What about this home maintenance inspection? Can you tell us about that a little bit?
Yeah, so we call it an annual home maintenance inspection, really geared towards homeowners, making sure that they really understand their home, making sure that they know how to maintain their home, make sure they know how to get the most life out of their home, really get the value out of it.
I love it. And can you give us your top 3 home maintenance tips?
Yeah, absolutely. I have 3 on the interior, 3 on the exterior. So on the interior, it's making sure that they're doing maintenance on their heating and cooling systems, getting the most life out of those. Number 2 would be making sure that they stay fully aware of everything that's going on. So what I mean by that is if you have a leak and you see it, take care of it right then and there. Don't wait. And the third thing would be making sure you get a professional to go through the interior of your home, because there's a lot of variables on a home, especially in the New England area with all the different ages of homes. So you want to make sure you have a professional getting through there to make sure that you really have a full understanding of that home and how to take care of it, how to maintain it. On the exterior of the home, number 1 would be gutters and downspouts. The whole goal is to get water away from the house, so you want to make sure that they're clear, they're getting all the water extended away. Number 2 would be all the grading around the perimeter of the foundation of the home. Again, making sure that none of the water is going into the home, it's all going away from the home. And number 3 would be the vegetation around the home, making sure that it's all trimmed, let the sun, let the wind get to the house, keep it dried out, keep it breathing properly. So those are really the big maintenance things that come in off the top of my head.
Mike, thanks so much. What's the easiest way for people to reach out to you and schedule an inspection?
Yeah, many ways. Probably the number 1, if I said to pick one, would be going to our website, get all the information right there. That's housemaster.com/Metrowest.